Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's continue with this generative AI playlist. So what is generative AI? Generative AI is a field of AI. So it generates new data. In the traditional ML models, we used to collect huge sets of data. Based on our requirement, we used to collect huge sets of data and we used to pre-process the data and train the data, and we used to train the model using the collected data set, and the response that we got from the model, no, it is used to be within the scope of the data set that we provided. But generative AI has opened a wide set of view or vision. I mean, it has opened various applications. So generative AI, it generates new data, and it can generate image, text, audio and video. See, it can generate image, text, audio and video. If you have interacted with chat gpt, you might have given any text, you might have given text as prompt to the chat gpt and it would have responded to you back in the text. So that is how it works. Under hood, it uses LLMs, large language models, and we will see in detail in the coming videos. So it is of two types. So generative AI is of two types. It is generative image model and generative large language model. So generative image model is basically image to image conversions. Like if you give any image, the model under hood will just analyze the image and give response. And if you generative language model is basically text to text. So AI is vast. So where does Gen AI exist in the field of AI? As we all know, machine learning, deep learning and natural language processing is part of AI. Machine learning handles all the math logic that is needed, and deep learning is a bit advanced and it works on neural networks, and natural language processing, as the name suggests, it handles all the language related stuff. So Gen AI is the intersection of all this. It uses large language models. So basically how it works is, this is the model. So we will be giving input to our model and we will be getting output. So as I said in the previous video, that we will be collecting data, we will be processing it, and we will be training the model. So we will be giving input to our model and we will be getting the output. So using Gen AI, there is no need for us to do all this. There's no need for us to do it from the scratch. There's no need to collect data. There's no need to train the model and all. So companies like OpenAI and Google has created large language models for us. So that this is large language model. It is a large language model is a trained deep learning model that understands and generate text in a human like fashion. So model has already been created and we have to just interact with the model using the APIs that are created by those companies. Let's start with the user phase. Please open ChatGPT and Bard and try to play with these tools. Give different types of prompts and understand the responses and how the application is behaving to different types of responses. Just try to get familiar with these things, and we will be looking in detail with the prompt engineering in the next videos. So stay with me and please subscribe my channel for more